Hey my fellow home bakers! Today we are making the dreamless matcha pastry cream, silky, earthy, sweet and perfect for tarts, pastry or just a sneaky spoonful. Let's get started. Get a saucepan and turn on the heat to medium-low. Add the milk, double cream and butter. Gently cook the mixture until you see bubbles forming on the sides, then remove the saucepan from the heat. Now get a large mixing bowl and add the egg yolks and sugar. Whisk them vigorously until well combined. Sieve in matcha powder to help break up any clumps. Once that's done, add the corn flour and whisk until everything is well combined. Then, slowly add in the milk mixture. It should have cooled down a little bit by now. If not, wait until it cools slightly, as adding it too hot could scramble the eggs, and that's the last thing we want. Next, pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook it over medium-low heat. Here is the pro tip. Stay focused and don't walk away. Whisking continuously ensures your cream cooks evenly and won't burn or curdle. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk until it thickens to a custard-like consistency. It should fall off the whisk in ribbons without fully dripping. You will know it's ready when the texture is stiff, thick, and smooth, just like this. Transfer the matcha pastry cream to a bowl and cover it with cling film, placing it directly onto the surface of the cream to prevent the skin from forming. Refrigerate it for about 2 hours until it's completely chilled. As you can see, the matcha pastry cream is completely chilled. Now, what we need to do is to beat it on medium-low speed until smooth before using it. After about 30 seconds to a minute of beating, your chilled pastry cream should be smooth, silky, and perfectly spreadable. Now, you can use it however you like. Spread it on a tart, pipe it as fancy as you want, which is one of my favorite things to do. Fill the choux pastry for a classic French treat, or layer it between cakes and cupcakes for extra richness. You can even spread it inside a croissant for an indulgent touch. For a luxurious breakfast or brunch, serve it as a topping on waffles. I like to mix it with whipped cream and freeze it for a creamy, rich ice cream base. Or simply enjoy it straight off the spoon. Now you have mastered this matcha pastry cream, why not take it to the next level with my matcha strawberry tarts? Check out the video linked right here or click the link in the description box below for the full recipe. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next one. Bye!